He has been absent from work Monday. Option B. Since. He has been absent from work since Monday. She was accused stealing the documents. Option C. Of. She was accused of stealing the documents. He is good mathematics but weak English. Option B. At and in. He is good at mathematics but weak in English. We must comply the rules of the institution. Option E. With. We must comply with the rules of the institution. The manager was not satisfied your explanation. Option D. With. The manager was not satisfied with your explanation. He is senior me by 5 years. Option C. 2. He is senior to me by 5 years. The principal congratulated the students their success. Option E. On. The principal congratulated the students on their success. This book is different that one. Option B. From. This book is different from that one. He has no control his temper. Option D. Over. He has no control over his temper. The train was late a few minutes. Option E. By. The train was late by a few minutes. He was debarred entering the examination hall. Option B. From. He was debarred from entering the examination hall. He has a great influence his followers. Option D. Both B and C means over and on. He has a great influence over his followers. Or, he has a great influence on his followers. She divided the sweets the children. Option A. Among. She divided the sweets among the children. I am not familiar this software. Option C. With. I am not familiar with this software. The criminal was charged murder. Option E. With. The criminal was charged with murder. He was born a wealthy family. Option B. Into. He was born into a wealthy family. He takes pride his work. Option D. In. He takes pride in his work. She was brought in a small village. Option A. Up. She was brought up in a small village. There is a ban smoking in public places. Option C. On. There is a ban on smoking in public places. He insisted paying the bill himself. Option D. On. He insisted on paying the bill himself. He was accused stealing the jewels. Option A. Of. He was accused of stealing the jewels. We should not boast our wealth. Option B. About. We should not boast about our wealth. She is married a doctor. Option C. 2. She is married to a doctor. He was deprived his property by his cousin. Option D. Of. He was deprived of his property by his cousin. He was astonished her performance. Option B. At. He was astonished at her performance.